Good morning. Today we are going to study about solar car, solar cooker, solar panel and solar heater. And isn't it so small? And it's true. Let us go to a large solar heater, solar cooker and solar panel. Come. This is a solar cooker. A solar cooker is a device which uses the energy of direct sunlight to heat, cook or pasteurize of food or drink. Many solar cookers presently in use are relatively inexpensive, low-tech devices, although some are as powerful as and expensive as traditional stoves and advanced. Large-scale solar cookers can cook for hundreds of people. Their principles are concentrating light, converting light to heat, trapping heat, and greenhouse effect. Their operation is different kinds of solar cooker use somewhat different methods of cooking but must follow some basic principles. And its advantages and disadvantages are high performance parabolic solar cookers can attain temperature above 290 degrees Celsius or 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, they can be used to grill meats, stir fry vegetables and make soups. Some of the disadvantages, do you know? You don't know, so let me explain you what are the disadvantages. Some of their disadvantages are solar cookers are less useful in cloudy weather and near the poles. So an attractive cooking source is still required in these conditions. Solar cooking advocates suggest 3 devices for an integrated cooking solution, that is a solar cooker and a free effective stove. Now let me explain you what are solar heaters. Solar water heating or solar hot water systems comprise several innovations and many mature renewable energy technologies that have been established for many years. Let me explain you its overview. Water heated by the sun is used in many ways, while perhaps but known in a residential setting to provide domestic hot water. Solar hot water also has industrial applications, example to generate electricity. Let me explain you somewhat about its history. There are records of solar collectors in the United States dating back to before 1900, comprising a black painted tank converted on a roof. In 1896, Clarence Kemp of Baltimore, USA enclosed a tank in a wooden block. Now, a solar car. A solar car is a solar vehicle used for land transport. Solar cars combine technology typically used in the aerospace, bicycle, alternative energy, and automotive industries. The battery which is used in it is packed in a typical solar car is sufficient to allow the car to go 250 miles without sun and allow the car to continuously throw at speeds of 60 mph. Motor. The motors used in solar car typically use less power than a toaster. Such cars has also participated in races like some solar cars from University of Michigan and University of Minnesota are heading westwards. So this is about solar car. Let us move towards solar panel. A solar photovoltaic module is composed by individual PV cells. This crystalline silicon module comprises 4 solar cells and has an aluminum frame and glass on the front. A solar panel is a set of solar photovoltaic modules electrically connected and mounted on a supporting structure. A photovoltaic module is a packed connected assembly of solar cells. The solar panel can be used as a component of a larger photovoltaic system. Its theory and construction are as follows. Solar modules use light energy from the sun to generate electricity through the photovoltaic effect. The majority of modules use water-based crystalline silicon cells or thin film cells. Cells must also be protected from mechanical damage and moisture. Most solar modules are rigid but semi-flexible ones, and this is a solar board and we'll tell you how it works. Let me place it on the ground. As you are seeing that it is moving. This is the panel you are seeing, and with it is hit, it is moving. This is providing energy to it, and because of which it is moving. See. Now we are back at our home. You see how we show and tell you about solar heater, solar cooker, solar panel and solar car. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, you also seems to see that beautiful. This was the solar report that I showed you there. Thank you and expect you will have enjoyed it.